night and dark. No one, nobody teaches you to walk with open hands. It's the lone sun, always found holding stone and crumbling sand. What was between our hands was lost. Hear no voice to follow, calling out your name above. Took all that was left of me, threw it back into the sea. Behind me, I know the old have gone to the one I see. Beside you, set apart and fall past the goldless tree. No one, nobody teaches you to walk with open hands. It's the lone sun, always found holding stone and crumbling sand.